Day 12 adds task filtering by completion status. The Get Tasks endpoint will optionally support is completed true and is completed false. The Task API can now complete and reopen tasks. The next useful backend step is filtering tasks by completion state. This also teaches practical query parameters. By the end of today, get all should accept nullable bool is completed, the service should filter when it is provided, the controller should accept the query parameter, and Swagger should show the option. The files to edit are itaskservice.cs, taskservice.cs, taskscontroller.cs, and readme.md. First update the service contract. Change get all to accept nullable bool is completed. True means completed tasks, false means incomplete tasks, and null means all tasks. Next update the service filtering. Return all tasks when the filter is null. When the filter exists, use where to match task.is completed and return the filtered list. Then update the controller. Get all accepts nullable bool is completed. ASP.NET Core reads it from the query string automatically and passes it into the service. The API examples are get tasks for all tasks, get tasks with is completed true for completed tasks, and get tasks with is completed false for incomplete tasks. The success check is direct. All tasks still work, completed filtering works, incomplete filtering works, Swagger shows the query parameter, and the project builds successfully. After filtering by completion works, stop. Do not add search today, do not add user API, do not add SQL Server, and do not add EF Core today.